We are officially in Song Wat Road. So many stops.
Song Wat Road is a historic riverside street in Bangkok's old Chinatown, lined with classic shophouses and old trading warehouses that still feel authentically local.
How was the ceramic area?
So cute! Oh my
Cute,
god.
so nice. It's I don't know how to describe it, but it's just very, very cute. Oh.
Everyone is so fashionable. Like, look around.
Welcome to Song Wat.
It's a must visit because it blends vintage Bangkok charm with a fresh wave of cool cafes, creative shops, and street art. If you want a place that's walkable, photogenic, and full of hidden gems, Songwat is one of Bangkok's best places to go.
Everyone here looks so nice and trendy. Oh, vintage shop there. So there's a vintage shop behind me. Yes.
To get here, I rode the MRT to Wat Road station, then took a grab bike from there. You can also walk to Songwat from the train station. It's best to explore Songwat in the afternoon and then head to Yaowarat, also known as Chinatown, at night.
Hi, we're in this record store called Get Back and Shoot Records, and I saw Sabrina Carpenter and some Taylor Swift records over there, which is really cool. I'm not really a record person, but I like looking at it, so cool.
I've been here a few times before, but this was totally new for my sister and cousin. What I love about this place is that you can hunt down vintage trinkets, handmade crafts, and all kinds of unexpected treasures. Here's the thing, the chaos actually adds to the vibe. Sure, it's a known spot now, but when you're wandering through for the first time, it genuinely feels like stumbling into something special. Every corner reveals something cool you didn't expect to find.
Ano siya ang Song Wat?
Medyo hit na siya vlog sa story. Pagka.
Hippie nga ano.
Medyo
vibe.
touristy na siya. Like, look at, there's so many people in this one street.
Yeah, but it's still cool and nice. It has nice nooks and crannies to take pictures in.
If you need a unique Bangkok gift, Songwat delivers. You'll find stuff here you won't see anywhere else. And if you're into Instagram shots, this place is gold. There is street art everywhere, charming cafes, and adorable nooks that photograph beautifully. We had a blast exploring the hidden alleyways and found this cool pathway next to Abbey Nail Salon that leads up these stairs to rooftop bars and cafes. We didn't actually go inside, but climbing up and peeking around was an adventure itself.
We're going to look for cheesecake. Time to go look for rice cheesecake. Songwat Coffee Roasters is that way. Do you want to check?
All that exploring made us hungry, so we headed to Iga for some authentic Thai food.
So we're at Ika. Hi. Hi, Rai. Happy birthday, Rai.
Thank you, everyone. This place is so cool. It's like very moody. Like, I don't know, it doesn't translate in the camera, but it's actually very dark in here. Yeah, it's very vibey.
So I ordered Thai fried rice. What did you two order?
I ordered mu krapao and iced tea and a cheesecake.
And I ordered some sort of chicken stir fry with ginger and carrot cake.
The food was great and we have zero regrets. Definitely hit up Iga when you need to refuel after all that walking. If you want to keep the evening going, head over to Yaowarat Road, which is Bangkok's famous Chinatown. It's packed with street food stalls and it's just a short walk from Song Wat.
Interview. How is our birthday girl?
Hi, guys. So, I had fun today. We went to so many, like, places. Like, I mean, we just did some window shopping, but we just finished eating from, what is this called? Ika. So their food is good and their cakes are also good and I enjoyed it. Yeah.
Did you enjoy your birthday?
Yes. So it's a late celebration but it's still very fun. We did our perfume making class and then we just went to Song Wat.
Yes.
So yeah, there are a lot of vintage stores here. So if you like to visit, yes, you can come here and experience the same thing as we did.
And if you also want to experience the perfume making class, I'll put the link in the description box below. You can book this on through Agoda. What's the name of the owner? Shirley?
Shuri, I don't know. Shuri.
Yeah, I forgot her name, but she's really nice and it was fun. And
Very
we
sweet.
brought home our perfumes.
Yes. So it was a fun experience, guys. Like if you really are into scents and just wanting to experiment with what kind of perfume you like, you might find out your scent in Thai scent. So yeah.
Yes.
Click the link on the description box.
Yes.
So yeah.
Yes. Thank you, Ate Jam. Ready to say goodbye to my audience.
Bye!
Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Hit the notification bell.